There comes a moment when you realize you're not really living anymore, that every day is just a faded copy of the one before. The city slowly consumes you. It steals your breath, your freedom, and leaves you with nothing but noise. I've decided to leave, not to run away, but to find myself again. I want to wake up to the smell of wet earth. I want the silence of nature to fill my days. I want to be free. Off-roading is not just a vehicle. It's a key. A key that opens paths few dare to take. It's adventure. It's resilience. It's discovery. And every trail takes me further away from the old me. I want to grow my own food, produce my own energy, build my own shelter with my hands, live without asking permission from anyone. It won't be easy, but every step, every scratch, every drop of sweat will be freedom. And if you feel this same voice inside you, if you dream of leaving it all behind and starting over, then come with me. Subscribe. Join the journey. Freedom is out there.